Once upon a time, there lived a fly named Ty. Bzzz. Hi guys, my name is Ty. Woo! Hi pigs. Hi Ty, how's it going? Have some pig slop with us. Oh, all right. The things are getting a little old here. Ty was feeling like he was in a rut. He landed on a leaf, and then he would buzz around and land on another leaf. And then he would come over and eat some more pig slop. And then he would start over again. He started to feel like he needed more in his life. So he decided to head off for the little town 10 miles away. I'll be back, guys. I'm going to leave. Goodbye. Zzz. Bye, Ty. Don't be gone too long. Zzz. Ty made it to the little town. Woo! It smells yummy. There's a flower store. And grocery store. Yippee! This is the life for me. There was a guy with a tie who had some fries, and it looked like he was going to throw them away. Ooh, here's my chance. So Ty followed him down the alley. Smells delicious. And Ty was in luck. He flew down to nibble on a French fry. Boy, is this tasty. And he flew next to, this was a hamburger that was eaten by the guy with the tie. Oh, this is delicious. Yippee! Oh, this is the life for me. Ty was having so much fun eating the hamburger and the fries. He didn't notice a group of flies coming down. And they started nibbling on the hamburger. Oh, yeah, hi guys, we can share. Buzz off. Oh no, I'm serious, I'll be happy to share. Go away, said the city flies. Oh, you guys aren't very friendly. So Ty buzzed away. Well, Ty found the guy with the tie who had just bought a donut and landed on the donut. Ooh, the guy didn't want it, so dropped it on the ground. Ooh, good news for me. I love donuts. And Ty zoomed down to eat the donut. Yum, yum. This is the life. Ty was enjoying the donut. And all of a sudden, the same group of flies flew in. Oh, hi guys. We can share. Buzz off! You guys aren't very nice. And Ty flew away to find the guy with the tie. This time, the man with the tie had a jelly donut. And Ty zoomed down to land right on the jelly. Ooh, gross! And he threw it down. Disgusting. But Ty was in hog heaven. Ty loved his jelly-filled donut. This is delicious. He was enjoying his jelly-filled donut when the city flies flew in. Hey, buzz off! This was my jelly donut, not yours. Not anymore, buzz off. You stole my fries, my hamburger, my other donut. This is my donut. We don't care. It's ours now. So Ty was getting tired of these city flies. He decided to fly up to the sky, back home. So Ty the fly flew back home to the country. Oh, hi, Ty. You want to have some pig slop with us? We've got bread crust today. Oh, sure. You know, I've had a rough time, and it's better to eat a dry crust of bread with peace of mind than a banquet in a house full of trouble. Don't I know it? Uh-huh. And Ty flew from one leaf to another, and he flew back again and shared with the pigs. This was the life for him. The end. Okay, let's sing the vowel song. 1, 2, 3, hit it, gang. Okay, here we go. A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes a Y, and sometimes a Y. A, E, I, O, U. And sometimes Y, and sometimes a Y. Okay, you remember our vowel song. Don't forget to practice it. Well, this letter you are used to saying at the beginning of a word. It can be a consonant at the beginning of the word, as in ya, you, or ya, yellow, or ya, yodel, yo lady, oh lady, oh lady. Okay, never mind. You know what I'm talking about. Okay, but it can also be a vowel in a word or at the end of a word. Okay? It can say either I, as in, zoom in please. I, as in ice. And remember our training wheels? We put a little puddle under it. Well, guess what? We can do that with our letter Y, too. We can put a little puddle there, and it'll say I as a reminder. Okay? And it can say E for eagle. And we can put wings on it as our training wheels. Okay? Now, you remember our story. Oh, yes. Everybody clear this off, please. We had tie the fly. Yes, we did. Hi, guys. It's me, Jerome, and we are gonna do letter art. Oh, yeah. Okay, so you remember our main character in the story? Oh, there he is. Ty the fly. Hey, Ty. What's up? All right. Hey, Jerome. We're going to draw Ty the fly. Okay. So we'll set that little guy aside. And we are talking about the letter Y today, which can say I or E. Like, vowels. And so, remember our puddle that we put under the I to make it say I? Guess what? We can do it under this letter, and it says I too. It's training wheels to remind you. All right, so get out your dark marker and also have a blue marker handy. But we're going to draw a tie. Zoom in. Okay, here we go. We're going to draw them kind of big up in this corner. All right, so here we go. An I and a circle in there. Okay, zoom in again. All right, now we're going to draw a little bit of his body. And then an I, half a circle and a dot. Okay, now we're going to draw, starting from here, we're going to draw some wings. And then another one. Okay, and then we're going to skip this line, do a little skip lines, and then close it up. Okay, and then texture. Here we go. Okay, you can give him a little smile. Okay, and then you can zoom out a little bit. Okay, now you can see he's flying up this way. Okay, so we're going to go action marks. All right, so we're going to write tie up in this corner, okay? Here we go. We're going to make a big T, big T. Okay, and then we're going to make the letter Y and get a blue marker. It says I, and this is our training wheel. Tie, tie. Okay, he's flying up to the sky. Oh yeah, to get away from the mean flies, the city flies. Remember? He had to fly up to the sky to go home. So we're going to write sky right here. All right, here we go. Get your dark marker. I, sky. Yeah, that's how you spell it. Okay, here you go. I flew up in the sky. Good job, guys. Hi, guys. Okay, so today we're talking about the letter Y, which can say yeah at the beginning of a word like yo, how's it going? You know, or I walked yesterday. All right, but it can also say I, as in my, fly, or it can say E, as in eagle. Okay, so guess what? I'm feeling very jumpy. Jump. And then guess what I'm going to do? I'm going to put this on the end. E for eagle wings. Jumpy. Oh, hello there. Okay, so today we're talking about the letter Y, which can say yeah at the beginning of a word. Okay, like yield, or let me think, oh dear, we already talked about yellow and yell. All right, well, you get the idea. Okay, but it can also be a vowel, and it can say I, as in ice, or it can say E, as in eagle. Okay, there's our eagle wings. All right, well, I want you to listen with your ears for these words. They have 2 beats. Happy, silly, jumpy, wiggly. You can hear the E at the end, can't you? Uh-huh. All right. Well, guess what? I was walking the other day and I found a hat. And it looks like this. Oh, yes, maybe a party hat, but it looks a little silly. Oh, yes. Oh, so guess what? We're going to say silly. Silly. It's missing this. Oh, there we go. It's got the eagle wings, so it's E for eagle. All right. Silly. 2 beats. Silly. Uh-huh. And if you were wearing, earthquake. If you were wearing this hat, you might feel silly too. Ha ha. And don't forget our list.